Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Referin here, and we got Amtrak 48 right now.
Defect detector. Milepost 323.6. Track 1. CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 280.0. Track 2.
There he is.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 280.0. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 60. End of transmission. CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 302.6. Track 1.
Here it goes. Too bad we have 89 on that one today. Not a good sounding horn, but it's all. But oh well, what are you gonna do, right? But nice crew though, friendly crew, and there he goes.